glycerin. Apply to your lips to moisturize and soften. DIY Lemon Lip Scrub. DIY Lemon Lip Scrub. Ingredients like half lemon, coffee, and sugar. Scrub on your lips and carefully clean up. Lemon Lip Scrub benefits. Lemon Lip Scrub gently exfoliates the lips, removing dead skin cells and revealing smoother, softer lips. Do not use this scrub if you have chapped or sensitive lips. Olive oil. Applying olive oil on lips can help to hydrate and nourish dry, cracked, or chapped lips. Regular use of olive oil can result in soft and supple lips. DIY Lip Balm. Homemade DIY lip balm ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, beeswax, piece of lipstick. All ingredients melt. Pour into containers to harden. Subtle and glossy. Homemade DIY lip balm is ready. Tips. Customize the recipe by using different flavor oils, fragrance oils, or colors. If you prefer a thicker consistency, add more beeswax. If you prefer thinner consistency, add more coconut oil. You can also add a few drops of vitamin E oil or aloe vera gel to the mixture for extra moisturizing benefits. Homemade lip balm make a great gift or addition to your own beauty routine. How to use. Using lip balm is a straightforward process, but here's a step-by-step guide to get the most out of your lip care routine. Number 1. Choose your lip balm. Select a lip balm that suits your lip type: normal, dry, chapped, or sensitive, and preferences: flavored, unflavored, tinted, or medicated. Number 2. Apply a small amount. Dot a small amount of lip balm onto your lips, enough to cover them evenly. Number 3. Rub it in. Gently rub the lip balm into your lips, making sure to cover all areas evenly. Number 4. Reapply as needed. Reapply lip balm throughout the day, especially before bedtime, after eating or drinking, after swimming or exercising, in dry or cold weather. Number 5. Use before lipstick or gloss. Apply lip balm before applying lipstick or lip gloss to help your color last longer and stay moisturized. Number 6. Don't over-apply. Avoid applying too much lip balm, as this can lead to a sticky or greasy feeling. Number 7. Keep it handy. Store your lip balm in an easily accessible place. Keep your purse, pocket, desk drawer, so you can reapply wherever needed. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to keep your lips soft, smooth, and protected all day long. These tips can make your lips look pink and healthy if you can follow them. So that's all for today. See you on my next video. Thanks for watching.